Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to a new video of weekly embroidery series. In today's video we will be making this twig and I am really excited to share the process of making it with you all. The purple and green is one of my favorite color combos and I really enjoyed the process of making this embroidered twig. So let's not wait any further and start making this hoop. Firstly, we will do our sketch. And for sketching, I am using a waterproof ink pen. You can also sketch with the pencil if you feel comfortable sketching with the pencil. And we are done with our sketch, so let's begin stitching. As I will be stitching the leaves with two color threads. So before stitching, I am labeling the leaves that I will be making with purple thread, so that when I will start embroidery, I will be clear which leaves will be purple and which ones will be green. I always prefer to label the work before starting to stitch. It saves a lot of time. And now it's time to thread our needle. And I will just secure our thread by tying the knot at the end. Initially I planned to make the leaves with 6 strands of thread. But at the time when I just punch in my needle, I thought that I will make the leaves with 12 strands. So now I am just doubling my thread and tying the knot at the end. And now start stitching. I am using satin stitches to do the sleeves. And we are almost done with one leaf. And now it's time to secure our thread. We will just pass the needle like this and cut our thread. And we are done with the second one too. And look how beautiful they are looking together. And similarly, we will do all our purple leaves. And we are done with our purple leaves. It's time to add the green ones. And look how beautiful both the colors are looking together. And now similarly, we will do all our leaves with green. We are done adding all our leaves and now it's time to do our stem. And for stem, I am using 6 strands of thread, and stem stitch is my go-to stitch for making the stems. And now we are done with our twig. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and please do leave a lovely comment for me as well. And lastly, please do subscribe to my channel to see more content related to embroidery. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.